Hey everybody, welcome back. We're fixing to upgrade the workshop just a little bit. We have the YesWelder MIG 205 DS Pro. We have this mess on our welding table and we need to tighten things up, get a little bit more organized. That's why YesWelder sent us this 4-shelf welding cart. We're gonna put this thing together. We're gonna put our welder on this, check it out, show you all the features, so stick around. So let's look at some of the components. Start with the wheels. Nice rubber wheels. Really nice heavy duty rubber wheels. We have the caster so we can roll it around. Here's our side shelf assemblies. We have them on both sides. We have our handle. Looks like we have our chain, our hardware, the chains to strap the tank down. Have some little side brackets here. It actually comes with the screwdriver. So we'll see if that's the only tool you need. This looks like the back panel with the chain brackets. We have the shelves here. We have the drawers, right? 4 drawers. This looks like it's probably the base. We have the axle. We have the tank holder bracket and some hooks there for your welding leads. And of course, the instructions. We're gonna go ahead and put this together. We don't need to show you how to put it together. If you're welding, you can figure it out. Let's get this thing together. We'll show you what it looks like with the equipment on it. All right, we got this thing all put together. Probably took about 25 minutes to put it together. Had plenty of extra parts, plenty of extra nuts and bolts. Came with the tools you need, a little wrench, a little screwdriver. But if we come in close and look at this, some of the things that I noticed on this. We have our 4 drawers right here, right? But if you look, watch. It has a little catch on it that keeps those drawers. Those drawers won't flop open on their own. Nice, easy slides on those. But when you get to this point right here, you can see that. Everything locks into place. You don't have to worry about those opening up. We have our hooks for our ground lead. We have our hook for our stinger cable. It fits the MIG 205 DS Pro perfectly. We have a small argon tank on the back here, and we have several different tie down points. We have a tie down point for the chain on the bottom, on the probably about quarter of the way, another quarter of the way up, and then if you have large tanks, you can secure them up high, so plenty of tie down space. Really a nice cart, really nice addition to my shop. It clears this off of the actual welding table. I can move this around, everything's self-contained. I have my consumables in the drawers. So yeah, I mean, just a nice, simple, compact welding cart from YesWelder. If you're interested in this cart, we have links down below. The links don't cost you anything. I earn a small commission from those and it helps support the channel. No extra cost to you. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time.